Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba uthaphila-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ebhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhishwe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khonza ukwazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole-ke nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke njengoba ngiyifaka-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke ukuthi ngakuphutha izindaba manje ucindezela-ke ibhathini subscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba lethe lona-ke namhlanje lithi njengoba sengisazi ukuthi i-ANC na-ke laphana-ke bizokhuluma-ke nabezindaba-ke laphana-ke izintatheli-ke kwi-media briefing becacisa-ke laphana-ke ngobuholi-ke base-KZN-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke emva kokuba kube khona-ke ney'nsolo zokuthi-ke bazolaxhasa-ke i-IFP na-ke basebenze-ke ne-MK-ke laphana-ke e-KZN-ke laphana-ke ibe khona-ke i-press conference-ke namhlanje kwacaca-ke okuningi-ke kubeka kwasobala futhi ukuthi-ke i-ANC na-ke ayizwene-ke noma-ke ababonisani-ke ngasolinye-ke namaqembu asebenza nabo-ke laphana kubalwa kuyo-ke i-IFP na-ke ne-DA laphana-ke bacacisa nokuthi kodwa-ke bazoqhubeka basebenze bafeza-ke nokuningi. Kodwa-ke angifuni umuntu wezwa ngampela nje udlala-ke ividiyo-ke uyizwele wena ukuthi kuthiwani-ke lana kusisi-ke chaza iveza-ke okuningi-ke lapha. Mina ngicela uma usuzwile-ke le video lonke ema-comment section-ke fusha uvo lwakho ukuthi wena ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke bese wenza okulungile ucindezeleke ibhathini subscribe njengamanje-ke nayo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
Hi guys, good morning. So I just finished listening to the briefing of the ANC and KZN. There's quite a few things that they've touched on, and when I get home I'm gonna shoot a YouTube video just to dive in more. So firstly, they've mentioned that there seems to be trouble between them and the DA, and there seems to be trouble between them and the IFP, but they are not breaking the unity. They're still going to work together, but they're just obviously expressing their concerns, and they're sort of putting their foot down on Ubana. We will not let things slide. Apparently the DA voted against them, or voted for a vote of no confidence for their mayor, to remove their mayor, so things like that. And IFP now yenza izinto, but I'm going, when I get home, I'll be home in, let me see, it's 12 now. Yeah, I'll shoot a YouTube video though when I get home. And one of the journalists asked Kukuti, what does that mean? Are they going to continue to stay in the provincial unity with the DA and the IFP, or are they going to jump and work with the MK? And they answered and they said absolutely not. MK has made it clear that they didn't want to work with them. They reached out originally or before to the daughter of Jacob Zuma, Zizwele Zuma, and she mentioned that they're not going to work with the ANC. So absolutely not. They're not going to work with the MK. But they will continue to engage the IFP and the DA and hold them accountable, or confront them whenever they're saying that they are aware that the DA does not have the interest of black people at heart. They know that. Funny how they say they know that, but they are not willing to let go of the government, despite them knowing the DA does not care of the interest of black people. They're saying that the DA only has the interest of white minority. Oh yeah, that's the summary of the briefing. But I am gonna make a full YouTube video and dive into each point one by one. Also, guys, I just wanna say, FYI. 2 people have inboxed me already. Apparently there's people going around who have fake profiles with my picture, and they are going around sending you guys a number that you must WhatsApp. I don't know what they want. Guys, you need to be smart. I mean, I will never inbox you guys my number. I don't like giving my number to people. You need to be smart that there's someone who can just randomly give you their number and say WhatsApp them. And when someone is inboxing you with my picture, check how many followers they have. You know that I've got a lot of followers. So if you are inboxed by someone who has 100 followers with my picture and you think it's me, then you are very naive. Unfortunately, I cannot teach you how to protect yourself and be alert. I can't. So just be careful, Betunan. Just be careful.